In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Affirm account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For the method I'm gonna show you in this video, I recommend that you go over to the Affirm website at www.affirm.com. For this, you can use your computer or a web browser on your phone. When you arrive at the Affirm website, scroll all the way down and you will be able to find the Consumers category at the bottom of the page. In the Consumers tab, select Help. Immediately when you click Help, you will be redirected to the Affirm Help Center. What you can do in this page is browse through all of the topics to try to find a solution for your specific issue, or alternatively, you can contact their customer support. All you have to do is scroll down and under this blue banner, Still Need Help, click Contact Us. You will be redirected once again, and in here you have to select the reason for you contacting them. In this video, I'm just gonna select my account, but you should choose the option that best suits your specific problem. Afterwards, do that again, pick the corresponding topic regarding what you picked before. So for example, I'm just gonna select login access, and as you can see, they're going to keep listing options and you have to pick the one that best applies to your case. I'm just gonna go trouble logging in. As you can see, they're either going to recommend articles or they're going to show you ways of contacting their help center. As you can see, they suggest that we contact them by phone. So you simply have to follow with the options they give you and you will be able to fix your Affirm account in relation to any issue that you might be having. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your Affirm account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.